So we've got a big problem in the shop right now.
It's a debate.
Shop divided right now. We have 3 and 3. This is the more important debate decision 2020. Here
Oh
it
my
is.
goodness, this is a good one.
So what we want to know is, how did you guys get on this topic in the first place?
We're not going to go there.
So we've got a big problem in the shop right now.
It's a debate.
Shop divided right now. We have 3 and 3. This is the more important debate slash.
I want to know,
2020.
how did they even start talking about
Dude,
this?
I don't know. I came out to film this, and they literally stopped me in my tracks and go, "Steve, we have a question for you. The question is, do you sit, wipe, or do you stand and wipe when you take a shit?"
Yeah.
So far, it's divided.
3 and 3.
I stand. I don't know how you sit.
I don't know how you stand.
Decision 2020. Here
Oh
it
my
is.
goodness, this is a good one. I'm surprised it's 3 and 3. At least I wasn't like the oddball out or something.
Yeah, Matt was so upset because he was the oddball. So it was Eric and Andrew sit, and Matt stands, and they had me come out, and I was like, "How the f do you sit?" So Matt and I high-fived, and then it was 2 and 2.
And then Bill, yeah, so we're 3 and 3
And then
right
you
now.
said sit, and it was 3, and then Bill said stand, so it's 3 and 3 right now. Shop divided.
Turns off all these lights.
Isn't this in stop? Oh, no,
It had a
no.
cat back on it. From like Virginia or something.
It was the exhaust was like hanging down too. Took care of that. I do feel a little bad. I was away.
Yeah.
This was being put together. Took a little vacation, much needed. Hanging around these assholes all the time.
Yeah, you'll have to comment. Sit or stand.
Yeah.
Is there any way for us to make a poll
On a picture, yes.
on a picture on YouTube?
I'll put a post and vote on the poll.
What we should do is you put that up now,
Okay.
and then we'll put the results
Oh, that's true. Right
in
now.
the video.
Right now.
Yeah, we'll put the results in the video, but as of today, which is Friday, which this will probably air next Friday,
Probably.
so we can put a poll now, and then we'll say the winner in the video.
I'm going with stand. I don't know how the f you guys said like.
This isn't up for debate.
So
This
how do
is
you
just-
get your hand
This
in
is just, we don't need to go into detail about anything. We don't ask you detail and nothing. But just see who's who. Right now it's 50-50. So clearly it's probably 50-50
Yeah.
there too. I'm turning on all these guys' check engine lights again. You know, like coil codes and injector codes and like ECU circuit codes and pedal position codes and like what the f?
You don't need any of that.
I just don't know. It literally takes so f***ing long to do that. Like why turn that off?
So when the customer
Like,
leaves their shop, they don't get a check engine light and they don't come back.
Dude, but you won't get a check engine
know.
light if all the f***ing shit is running normal.
Well,
They're there for a reason.
they're counting on them just not coming back. They're like, yep,
God.
everything's good. I don't get a check engine light. Car
Like
runs
it
great.
literally infuriates me. Like I want to talk to someone, a tuner that actually thinks that this is a good idea, and if someone out there is a tuner and they own a shop, I will give you $1,000 to come on camera and say that you do this, and if you have a valid reason behind it, I'll PayPal you. But you won't because you're a f***ing moron.
I don't know if the $1,000 is worth getting roasted on camera.
Just stop f***ing doing it. I mean, like, I just don't get it. Like, why would you not want it to throw a f***ing check engine light for a coil or an injector or like a pedal position sensor? Like, why would you not?
It makes chasing
Like,
the issue so
I
hard.
just
Like,
don't understand it.
If something does go wrong, good luck trying to figure it out.
I just literally, I don't understand it. There's no valid reason why you wouldn't want a check engine light to come on if your car had any issue like that. I don't know. Put ants in my panties.
So AI's on this one.
Yeah, okay.
I just had to check because I wasn't here. I wasn't sure.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Either one. We use them both.
Yep. Yes, AI.
Cool.
They'll make what they all make.
Yep. No price difference, so people wondering. Same package, just either one.
Yep.
I think it'll help getting more cars out.
Might even have a set here in stock come shortly.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's what we need, like a bunch of them in stock.
Oh, I know. We're getting close, I think.
Good. Good to hear.
Yeah, because I think at one point, drop ship was like waiting like 10 or 12 weeks for your head.
Yeah. We get it.
Or longer, maybe.
It's frustrating.
Yeah. We needed to not have that.
So what we want to know is, how did you guys get on this topic in the first place?
We're not going to go there.
I want to know.
I was real curious. We can go there.
Well, honestly, I'm in one stall, Matt's in the other, and I see him get up, and he's standing, his feet are facing the toilet, and then I hear the toilet paper roll. I'm like, what are you doing? He goes, wipe my ass. I said, you wipe your ass standing
We're
up?
wondering how this came about.
Yeah, that's what we're more curious.
I'm like, you wipe your ass standing up? And he goes, yeah, how do you do it? I said, I'm wiping my ass right now, sitting down. I'm like, what the f do you have to stand up to wipe your ass for?
I just don't know how you guys
Like
do
literally,
it.
Andrew,
Little tilt.
like when he asked me how, like why not, the same explanation I gave him,
Cheeks.
he said, I said, dude, when you stand up, your ass cheeks are gonna like clamp together, and now you have shit in your ass cheeks.
Yes.
No, it doesn't.
Now you have
cheeks.
shit in your ass cheeks.
It
But
doesn't happen when I
you're
stand.
back to front.
Yeah.
Like you wipe
Dude, you're
under
shooting
like
balls.
this? Oh, I go behind and up.
Dude, that's shit balls.
That's what I was saying. I was like,
Not
how do you
even
do
take the
it?
shit off.
How you gotta like lift your dick and
Yeah.
balls up to get your hand in there? It seems weird.
For one, I mean,
It doesn't even sound right. Back to front. Front to back sounds so much better.
I mean,
than back to
whatever. You
front.
can use a wet wipe thing too.
Oh, I just can't believe that people stand up to wipe their ass.
I can't believe you all sit down.
Fully stood up is awkward to me.
Yeah.
Especially stood up, turned around.
You don't have to turn around.
Yeah.
You just reach your arm
I know
back.
what I'm saying. That's
You
how
do
the
the same
topic
thing when
came
you're sitting
about.
down,
No, but then how do you gotta put your hand under your ass?
Turn around.
Slight tilt. Slight tilt.
So then your arm gets all over the toilet seat and shit?
Yeah, little elevation.
Does
Little
he
lift.
lean on the toilet like this and like is that why he's facing the
Is it like a
toilet?
drunk piss type thing?
No, see, I don't turn around. I stay standing forward and I just reach back.
Then what, you just backhand the toilet paper?
That's why I was
I
so
go like
curious
that.
how this topic came about.
Face the toilet?
Yeah, we're gonna put a poll on YouTube.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna put a picture and put a poll and do a vote.
People are gonna be like, they're gonna see the poll and not see the video and be like, what the f is wrong with you guys?
Yeah, and we're gonna put the results when we put the video of us talking about this. Probably next Friday, but
So Eric is working on the ice tank, it looks like. Got that hose.
Yeah, got that fuel system going.
So fuel system done, ice tank going in right now, running lines. Meth, the only thing we're changing up is switching to a dual nozzle. That's pretty easy. Everything's already done for that. So
Yep.
I'll check on the top to the tank later. I'm not gonna make you put it down.
Yeah, please don't.
See, I'm considerate, Eric. Sometimes.
One of these lines is a pain in the ass.
Another heads cam, C6 Z06.
Stage 3 or?
It's got cup wheels.
Because it's a 12.
That is singing.
That is singing.
I do love this color. It's one of the best colors there is.
That's why half of my vehicles are this color.
Yeah, well,
Not half. All my trucks.
whatever. This looks better than the trucks.
I mean, it's because it's a Corvette. But
This and JSB are my favorite. Those would be my three.
I don't like JSB.
This, white, or JSB. Probably white first because they're so much harder to find.
Yeah, I'm not a JSB. Don't like the color.
It's because you're gay.
Okay. I mean, that's fine. I just don't like that color.
It's fine.
I don't like a. I'm gay because I don't like a baby blue color.
Yeah.
You're entitled to your opinion. I mean,
Yep.
it's okay.
I'm going 620 on this.
Motor baseline.
I think it was fairly high. Like in the 490s, I think. That's why I'm going higher. I think, if I recall correctly.
What did the last one make? 16?
615 or something like that. This has AI boys.
But as a clutch.
Ooh. Does help a little bit. I'm staying with my 620.
I'll go with 618.
They're such a scumbag.
Why?
2 away.
That's so?
That would have been your response if you won, so you know what? I'll give it right back.
We didn't say first pull, we said overall.
I did say overall, but either way, you're
I know.
I figured it was a strong card.
I guess I've just gotten good at these things.
Oh yeah, it's you.
I mean, it's sure as f***ing you.
That's a fact.
I mean, in conjunction, it's everyone. But as far as making the power, you don't really have a part in that.
No, you're right. And especially getting pretty close off the first pull has a lot to do with it.
Yeah, yeah.
But the combo, I mean, we've done it so many times, it's proven that it works. And it's consistent.
It's
So,
definitely that.
I did forget about the clutch thing, so it does help.
How much torque did it make? 28, 528?
Not going.
A little bit. Adding some fuel, and that's about it, actually. I actually took some timing out mid-range.
Okay.
Other than that, I didn't touch it.
Sounds good. Stock mufflers.
How many miles are on this thing? 35,000.
That's good.
Yeah. New fun car. Throw a tire on it. Stockish.
Stock Michelin. Cup tire, cup wheels.
Is this thing local?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice car.
Yep.
Dig it.
With the shovel?
Last cigar. Dig it. Name the movie.
I don't know.
What? Are you serious?
I mean, I know, I think it's the fucking David Spade.
Yeah.
I literally, I've never seen the movie, but I just know what movie you're talking about.
The actor.
Yeah, I know. Whatever the hell that dumbass movie is.
Kid Rock's in it.
Yeah, the
Joe Dirt.
that Joe Dirt. Yeah.
You got the.
I know who it was. I literally have never seen the movie.
I'll give it to you. Not bad. Not bad.
Did you tell people that we have someone who works on Fords here now?
Yeah. Prior to this video, yes, but not right now. It'll be on Fridays. I mean, if you can work on a Ford, you can work on an LS.
Fact. Everyone should send him a bunch of dicks.
Okay.
Yeah. His name is Andrew. Send him dicks. They can welcome him. Welcome to RPM. Nice to meet you.
Here's some dicks.
Here's some dicks.
That's what you want.
Well, that would be it for him to do it. Yes.
Check out the front. Eric's got the rest of the lines run. Nicely done. LS did have our intake on it before. That's going back on.
There's a business in the front, party in the back there.
Yeah. This thing's looking good. So we just got a bunch of stuff back from Powder Coat.
I just want to give a shout out to my rock buddy, Sean Quillies.
His what, buddy?
Rock buddy.
Rock buddy. All right. All right. I didn't know that was a thing.
You can proceed.
Oh, I am proceeding without you, Matthew.
Well, Matt's right here, so technically it's not without him.
Well, his input. So now everything's got to go back together.
Yeah. In process.
Tank looks sick. Yeah. And then obviously we got all the brackets done. I'm going to put those on the website shortly. Now obviously these are only for these Frankenstein heads to the Holly coils.
So N1 NG1A coils or whatever the hell they are.
Yeah.
They're for the Frankenstein valve covers, not necessarily just these heads.
Yeah, no.
Any of their F-Series heads or whatever that takes those valve covers.
Correct. So I just didn't want people to randomly buy them and be like, oh, they won't work on
Yeah,
my
no,
LS.
they won't work on like normal.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, she's coming along now.
Yeah, it looks better. That's way better.